Hey there! For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to report a Telegram account in your Android device. First, go to the Telegram app, then tap the message from the offending user. If the user didn't send you a private message but instead did something offensive in a group, open that group. Tap the user's avatar. It's at the top left corner of a private message. This opens the user's profile. Copy the username. Next is to open your Android's email app. You can report this user from any email app on your Android, such as Gmail or Outlook. Compose a message and send it at abuse@telegram.org. And that's it. You have successfully reported a Telegram account. Please note that the Telegram team will review the report and take appropriate action, which may include disabling or deleting the reported account. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Turn on the notification bell and subscribe. Thanks for watching.